Yo, it has been a minute. What's up, YouTube? I hope everybody's doing well out there. Anthony Carino here, excited to be back. So real quick, this is just an update video. I want to let you guys know where I'm at, what the future of the channel looks like, and introduce myself to all the subscribers that have joined us since I haven't been posting. Cool. So first and foremost, thank you guys for sticking around over the last year while this channel's been silent. I don't have a big explanation here. It's pretty simple, actually. I was getting burnt out on the process of making videos, so I took on more private client projects than I usually do to kind of fill my time and pay the bills. For those that don't know, I'm a one-man show when it comes to producing, shooting, and editing the videos that go up on this channel. I never really wanted to grow the channel beyond me. I've worked with freelance editors in the past, and they did a great job. But the reality is I was just burnt out on the entire process. And if I'm being honest, I do find it difficult to give editors feedback on an edit trying to capture my own voice. I'd rather just do it myself. To be clear, this is a me problem. Control issues much? So that's the why behind the lack of uploads. The good news is the channel has continued to grow regardless. It's really gratifying to see new people finding my content through the YouTube algorithm and seemingly finding value in it. I mean, I don't know, like that's something you guys are gonna have to tell me. Like, are you finding value in it? And I actually have a few other questions. So please drop them in the comments below if you're willing. Moving forward, I'm going to be focusing more on DIY projects around the house, whether it's up here in the Catskills or down at the firehouse in Jersey City. I've got 9 projects ready to go this year, so I'll be looking to put out about a video per month. Now, I know that doesn't equal a year, but I'm pretty confident I can find a few other projects to do. Plus, I want to do some long-term reviews of different products I selected from my builds. Yes, that means I am finally doing a follow-up on the shipping container swimming pool video. I am sorry that has taken so long. And I'm sure I'm going to stumble along the way as I get back up to speed and try and get some of the rust off of especially off of my editing skills. First project, which I'm shooting next week, is an aluminum pergola build with integrated rain protection and drainage, and that's going on the firehouse roof deck. If you are new here or just need a refresher, check out seasons 1 and 2 of the Build TV. Season 1 was the full gut renovation of a historic firehouse in Jersey City, New Jersey, and season 2 focused on the gut renovation of a 1960s stone farmhouse and barn up here in the Catskills. Okay, last few notes. I love the process of building things, and after being in this industry for over 25 years, I know there are 10 ways to do everything. I don't mind constructive criticism. I just ask that we keep it positive. I'd love this channel to be a place where people of all skill levels feel comfortable asking questions. And I don't think I have all the answers. I still learn something new on every project. So I'm open to the comments. Just don't be a dick. You know what I mean. Next, anytime I am given a product or have a relationship with a company, I will be sure to call it out at the top of the video. My opinions are always my own. They're always honest reflections of my experience at the time. This is another reason why I want to go back through products I selected for both of my previous renovations and review them after now having used them for multiple years. I've been in the firehouse for 5 years now. Have they stood up to the test of time? Would I install them again? And so on and so on. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing content like this. I'd be curious, so drop them in the comments again if you're willing. And the last question I have for you guys, I've been playing with the idea of doing some more like home maintenance focused videos. For example, changing your HVAC filters or cleaning your filters if they're reusable and you have a communicating system like I do. I just replaced the flow valve on my Navian tankless hot water heater, and then I did a system flush with vinegar to remove buildup. Changing a fill valve in a toilet or a wax ring. Basically, when something goes wrong at my house or something doesn't work, I'll make a video on how to repair it. That's not generally the content I upload here, so I'm curious if that's something that'd be interesting to you guys as well. Okay, that's it. Again, thank you guys for sticking with me. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to dive into these new projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the projects. You ready to go to work? Let's build something together.